Shiba Inu coin whales are on the move again. We're going to be talking about it in this video because 15 trillion Shiba Inu coin is a lot of Shiba Inu coin. It was 6 trillion Shiba Inu coin a couple days ago. Now it's 15 trillion. The whales are loading up. Now, I don't know and I don't believe that they know things that we don't know. But what I do believe is that they're willing to ignore the emotion. They're willing to accumulate. They have seemingly unlimited money, and it does help them, put them in a position for ultimate success. So we're going to talk about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over a lot of Shiba Inu coin whale activity, but I do want to say this. I don't own 0.1% of the Shiba Inu coin supply, like I think some of these guys here own, and they gotta own like a ton of money in Shiba Inu coin to be considered a whale. But I have been diversifying. I'm not putting all of my money in one coin. One of the coins that I've been diversifying into is Wall Street Pepe. You guys have seen the videos. You understand why I'm buying in, why I think that they could 7x increase in a very short period of time based on what Pepe Unchained did and all of that. But if you guys are interested in buying in, there's a link in the description below for this token right here, and it's not going to last much longer. Okay, $69.5 million sold. I've been told there's a $73 million hard cap, so no way that it reaches 10 more days, if of course that $73 million hard cap is true. So we got to keep an eye out for that. You got a couple days left if you want to get into this one, and I am expecting big things in a short period of time, which could, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I do plan on taking my profit, which could help me buy even more Shiba Inu coin. Now let's talk about this because that's the whale strategy. The whale strategy is to simply accumulate as much as possible. And I've been thinking a lot about that lately. A lot of, especially retail investors, have the mentality that, I need to go out there, I need to double, triple, quadruple my money, and then cash out. Cash out for whatever reason, to go buy a car, to go buy a house, to go buy whatever. And all of these things are very nice, right? If you can go out and you buy a brand new car, amazing. If that's your goal, do it. If you want to go out and buy a house and you need one, absolutely go do it, right? We all have different goals. But these whales don't reach whale status by cashing out and stopping their investment. They continue to accumulate. That's the entire goal. Now, with that being said, whales make huge transfers. It says Shiba Inu coin whales are back in action, initiating massive transactions worth millions of dollars. Recently, on-chain data revealed that Shiba Inu coin whales had moved a staggering 15.1 trillion SHIB tokens in just one day. This is significant SHIB transfer comes amid a market crash to new lows. With the increased whale activity, the question arises to whether these large-scale investors are preparing for a potential surge in the price of SHIB. Now, I don't know if they are or not, right? If you look at Shiba Inu coin, you can see that the price action has been terrible over the last couple of days, and about 2-3 days ago, we touched 1,100 points per coin, and we've since recovered a little bit after that nice wick down. But Shiba Inu coin has not bounced rather drastically. Instead, continues to sit here right at the bottom of the candle body. Now, the wicks were much lower, absolutely, and we're up nearly a 40-50% gain from the bottom of those wicks right there. But we need to see some strength. The whales, absolutely buying that dip and causing this to wick down as opposed to be a large candle body, and we're still sitting down here at 1,000 points per coin. So it goes on to say that into-the-block data reveals that large-scale investors or SHIB holders, commonly referred to as Shiba Inu coin whales, have executed another massive transaction. In the last 24 hours, SHIB whales moved a staggering 15 trillion tokens, valued at approximately $253 million. Guys, I wish, and you know what? $250 million is like crazy money. Who needs $250 million, right? But that would be incredible to be able to move around $250 million worth of Shiba Inu coin. The large-scale SHIB transaction caught the market's attention, as whale movements often influence market sentiment and impact price trajectories. On February 2nd, Shiba Inu coin whales transferred a whopping 4.3 trillion tokens, valued at $66 million. This transaction marked a significant increase from the more than 2 trillion compared to the previous transaction of 1.5 trillion recorded on February 1st. Now, however, it appears that the activity of whales was intensified even further. These large-scale token holders executed a recent 15 trillion SHIB transfer, representing an astonishing increase of 10 trillion from the previous day's 4. It says, interestingly, the increase in whale transactions comes as the market experiences a significant crash. Following the U.S. president's trade war with China, Mexico, and Canada, the crypto market has been in a downturn. Big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum have fallen significantly, with Bitcoin trading below the $100,000 mark and Ethereum below the $3,000 mark. Shiba Inu coin was also among the cryptocurrencies affected by the market volatility. CoinMarketCap's data revealed that Shiba Inu coin experienced a 20% crash over the week, driving its price to new lows. While the meme coin has recovered slight gains of 6% over the last 24 hours, the recent downtrend still reflects bearish pressure. Amidst the downtrend, Into the Block data reports the larger holder inflows have skyrocketed by 553% in the last 7 days. On February 2nd, large-scale SHIB holders accumulated 1.2 trillion SHIB. However, their buying activity surged dramatically the next day, with whales purchasing an impressive 6.51 trillion Shiba Inu coins. So are they preparing for a rally? That's the question that everybody needs to ask, and everybody needs an answer to. Unfortunately, guys, we don't know what SHIB is going to do tomorrow. We simply know what Shiba Inu coin is doing today. And if you want to reach that whale status, you have to either wait a very long time for a very large price increase, or you have to be willing to accumulate and accumulate and accumulate. And as prices are down, people panic. They want to sell. They want to get out. They do not want to accumulate. They only want to buy as the price is rising. And it's this mentality that usually destroys the retail investor. Whales, on the other hand, they're willing to accumulate. And if the price goes down, they're willing to buy more. And then when the price goes up, they may sell. Sure, absolutely. But the entire idea is to simply hold. To go out there, to buy and buy and buy. And as time goes on, they make millions of dollars because they were willing to accumulate when everybody else was willing to sell. And if you look at the fear to greed index right now, you can see that the market is not greedy. We're at a level of 45 fear. Now, this is better than yesterday, absolutely, and investors are becoming a little bit more confident, but it's fear nonetheless. And when you've got meme coins, some of the riskiest of the risky, people are not willing to buy risky assets when they are fearful, which is why we need to see Shiba Inu coin turn around, which is why we need to see investors becoming more confident, which is why we need to see some green before, of course, the price does rise. Now, whales are accumulating when others are fearful. What do you think that we should be doing? Accumulating. That is exactly what I'm doing. One of the places I'm doing so is the KSEC centralized exchange. You've got a link for it down in the description below. Honestly, by far the best exchange I've seen in a long time. If you want to trade Shiba Inu coin, you can do so on up to 100x leverage. The fees, look at this, 0% maker, 0% taker right now, and it's absolutely incredible. So Shiba Inu coin, yes, but the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. So make sure to check them out, and do not forget about Wall Street Pepe. If you guys were waiting till the end of the pre-sale, the end of the pre-sale is now, right? If they do $4 million in the next 24 hours, it should be done. $73 million hard cap is what I've been told. You guys cannot sleep on this one. It's not going to last another 10 days. So please pay attention to all the links down in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.